Well, it's Halloween night and it's super windy. And Denise and I are sitting together. We both got our bows. Denise is the hunter, I'm the cameraman. Unless she doesn't want to shoot one or it's too far. And then we're gonna swap up. So let's shoot some deer.
The wind picks up.
Didn't even,
Huh?
didn't even hear it.
It's too windy.
Wait till he looks this way a little bit. There you go. Two-year-old.
Oh, shoot. Dave, is he going down? Oh my God.
You hit something on him. He went down, he got back up, and he went down. I think you must have got a long hit both buttons. This little guy's not sure what to do. You didn't stop him. I was like, whoa, I wasn't expecting you to shoot.
Well, I only had a really small window because there's leaves right there.
Yeah. We still got like another 45 minutes, so I've got my bow. And there's a lot of bucks out here, so we'll see if maybe one of the other bucks will come in later.
I'll send a message to the guys.
Yeah.
Oh, stop it.
Denise is gonna take the camera and I'm gonna get my bow. Oh, we got another buck. shwhack. That's Mr. Still trotting around. Look at the angle of that arrow. That's a dandy. Look at how dark. He's bigger than I thought he was actually.
Yeah, he's nice. Very nice. I love his little splits there. Beautiful. He's really heavy.
He's a lot heavier than I thought.
Yeah. It's very pretty. His horns are so dark. Beautiful. All right, we'll come back out and get him with the ranger.
They're gonna come back and with the ranger get their tags up to the house, isn't it?
Yeah.
Gotta go get her tag and get the ranger. I think I'm gonna let them do that on their own. I'm gonna go trick or treating with the kids. So
Yeah.
I'll let you and Tom come back and handle that.
You'll come back to our house trick or treating and see the
That's right.
buck. Yeah.